So hello guys, in this video we are going to learn how to create a promo code on Etsy website. So for that guys, first of all you will have to open any web browser and then search for etsy.com. So guys, after coming on their website, you guys will have to log in first of all and then click on this button called Shop Manager. So guys, after coming on this page, you can see an option called right here marketing. Now click on this and then guys choose this option right here called sales and discounts. So guys, it will get transferred to you on this page, and as you can see here is the option called create a promo account. Now just click on this setup button, and as you can see guys, you guys will get transferred on this page. And after filling all the details that are the requirements to create a promo code, and after filling up all the details, you guys will just have to click on this button right here called continue, and it will create a promo code for your customers. And that's it for the video guys. If you find this video helpful, then please subscribe to our channel, and thanks for watching.